I'll have to check this out. Okay, this is on packet. What was it? 40?
It's not a packet 40 yet.
Okay, good. I just want to make.
Oh shush.
Okay, here we go. Island packet 40. Our salon area. A couple of custom features here with the working desk. That's an addition. Some nice storage. Beautiful woodwork. Refrigerator. Oh, that one's definitely got more behind it, but I won't dig that out. Pretty deep cupboard there. Little extra shelf mechanism that's custom made. Little custom knife block. Foot pump for the water. Oh, that's nicer than your average under the sink cupboard. This would be the smaller head for the quarter berth with some sails packed in. This table folds down and provides seating for 3, and then folds again to add room for another 3. Nice Bowman's berth. Lots of great storage. A little bit of discoloration on the floor here. Fixable, but I guess it's stable at this point. Nice little front head. Looks pretty comfortable. Lots of beautiful wood in here.